Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to review another site that is rubyslider.com. So if you are one of them who are too sensitive toward the floor and interested to know about the detail, this is for you. Let's check out the detail. It is the bulb head like product made up of plastic. The bulb shape helps you cover the chair's bottom area and protect the floor from scratching. It helps to slide chair without making any kind of noise and marks behind it. Moreover, it is easy to cover all the corner as the material used in manufacturing is premium. It comes with many value packs to save money. The benefits of using Ruby sliders are the outstanding product comes from various advantages like Ruby sliders come with ultra soft material to slide the furniture from one place to another. Also, it shows no noise and scratch free floors. It contains a nano premium wave belt that helps you to shift heavy furniture easily. The sliders are easy to fit in all type of furniture. Specification of Ruby sliders are: it is first availability date is 21st May 2021. Its weight is 12 ounce. It is made up of plastic, and one pack includes 6 sliders. Like many different combos are available. It is transparent in color. The positive point of the product are: it is available on several portals. Multiple size options are available. It can fit in all type of furniture. Like no harmful effect is used in manufacturing the process. The negative point of the product are: it is currently out of stock. Multiple options with more reviews are found to diminish the views of the product. Only a red color option is available. No color options are found. So the question is Ruby sliders legit? We are checking out the legitimacy. Like the first available date of the product is too new. It has been only 4 months that product is available. So trusting such a thing could be a problematic. Only a few reviews from early buyers are available on the portal, so it would be best if you wait for more to get clear feedback. Ruby sliders are always available on several portals such as Amazon, Walmart, which brings a bit of relaxation for the buyer. The product does not have any individual social media presence. Within 4 months of manufacturing, the product is out of stock, which seems to have less manufacturing process. So by checking the customer reviews is actually an important before investing your money in online buying and selling process. So according to us, the product holds different ratings such as 4.5 star depending on the 2 rating. So it holds only few comments that state that the floor is safe because the sliders and customer love that can be easily fit in all the type of chair, but unfortunately these 2 pieces of feedbacks are not enough. So in our final verdict we can say that no doubt the product is legit, but the reviews are low. So you must do your own research or just wait for some time to make your purchase from the online shopping portal for Ruby sliders. And if you have experience of using this product, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you.